What's the meaning of childcare? Childcare. Childcare.
Childcare. Childcare. Childcare refers to the supervision and care of children, often in the absence of their parents or guardians. This includes activities such as feeding, playing with, and ensuring the safety of children. Childcare can be provided in a variety of settings, including daycare centers, preschools, in-home care, or by family members. The purpose of childcare is to give parents the ability to work outside of the home while also ensuring that their children receive appropriate care and attention. Effective childcare is important for the development and well-being of children, providing them with a safe and nurturing environment to learn and grow.